Wiper blades are one of those things you don't really think about until suddenly they're all you're thinking about. Are you the type of driver who always expects the unexpected, especially when it comes to weather? Then you need a high-end wiper blade with infused water-repellent technology that coats the windshield, shedding rain and winter road spray. PEAK Silicone Platinum is that blade. As our premium top-of-the-line beam wiper blade, PEAK Silicone Platinum is engineered to last 4 times longer than standard blades and delivers complete visibility throughout every season. We're talking 2 million problem-free wipes. For those seeking peace of mind and a clear windshield, our PEAK Silicone Plus premium hybrid wiper blades feature infused water-repellent technology. They're also engineered to last 4 times longer than standard blades while delivering complete visibility. Looking for that long-lasting, clean wipe when you're constantly up against rain and road debris that compromise your visibility? PEAK Optix beam wiper blades deliver just that because they're engineered for 2 times the durability of standard blades with exceptional cleaning power. Or do you live in a place where the snow is measured in feet and the temperature in single digits? Then you need PEAK Snow Beast winter wiper blades, designed for extreme winter performance. Featuring a heavy-duty wiping element, they truly live up to the beast in Snow Beast. PEAK wiper blades. Performance you can see.